Dollar falls as Harris gains in polls ahead of election. The dollar fell as recent polls indicated Kamala Harris gaining ground on Donald Trump, leading investors to reassess the U.S. election's impact on markets. An index tracking the dollar dropped the most in 2 months, and the Mexican peso, historically reactive to Trump wins, emerged as the day's top-performing currency. Treasury futures and Asian shares gained after a Des Moines Register poll showed Harris with a narrow lead in Iowa, stirring market expectations. Oil prices rose nearly 2% following an OPEC+ decision to delay production hikes. Meanwhile, central banks are set to make rate decisions this week, with the U.S. Federal Reserve and Bank of England expected to cut rates. In China, new policies encouraging foreign investment and the upcoming National People's Congress meeting add further market influences as global investors assess how U.S. election outcomes might impact economic growth worldwide. Bitcoin volatility spikes as U.S. election nears. Bitcoin's implied volatility reached a 3-month high, with Deribit's volatility index hitting 63.24% as markets anticipate a close U.S. presidential race. Analysts from QCP Capital noted a significant risk premium surrounding the election, with BTC's 7-day implied volatility spiking to 74.4%, nearly double the realized volatility of 41.4%. Meanwhile, legacy markets are also bracing for potential turbulence. The ICE BofA Move Index, which tracks volatility in U.S. Treasuries, rose to 135%, its highest in a year. Foreign exchange markets mirrored this trend, with Euro-USD's 1-week implied volatility reaching levels unseen since March's banking turmoil. After nearing record highs, Bitcoin's price has receded alongside shifting odds for key swing states. With both U.S. Treasury and currency markets exhibiting volatility spikes, investors are preparing for intensified market swings ahead of election results on November 8th. Gold prices climb amid U.S. election. Gold prices increased in Asian markets on Monday, supported by demand for safe haven assets as the U.S. presidential election and Federal Reserve meeting approached. Spot gold rose 0.2% to $2,741.31 an ounce, while December futures held steady at $2,750.40. Market anticipation for a tight election race between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris heightened interest in safe haven assets, as polls showed both candidates neck and neck, particularly in swing states. Gold also gained from a weaker dollar, which fell after softer-than-expected U.S. jobs data last week hinted at further Fed rate cuts. Lower rates make gold more attractive by reducing the opportunity cost of holding non-yielding assets. Additionally, platinum and silver prices rose, while copper climbed on expectations that China's National People's Congress will unveil new fiscal measures to boost its economy, the world's largest copper importer.